how to remove door handles. This is Lonnie.
The door cannot be closed.
So to be able to remove one of these, you're gonna need and a flathead screwdriver or a scissors. I can't find my flathead. What you do is there's gonna be a hole. Once you find that, you poke it with this. So you have to press it hard enough for the button to be pushed. You pull the lever out. Once you pull it out, take that with your Allen, and it's out. You grab your flathead, or you got some scissors, a hole on the side, big enough for the flathead. Gotta pop it out. Both of the screws now, remove them. Now the second one might be a little stuck, so you're gonna have to do it by hand. It comes off. Next thing, I don't know what it's called. The sliding part always facing towards the door. Why? So it can slide in. And then you get the screws. And we're gonna add the last screw here. Ta-da. Alright. Oh. Alright. So now you get this part, right? Close it again. Now you set it up. The key lock goes outside, remember. Don't lock yourself in. From my mistakes, you shall learn. But since it came off, I can't open the door, so kind of have to put it back on. Oh, how do we turn this? I might solve it. Give me a second. How do I open the door now? For real. Stop playing. No. I got this. Time to call the cavalry. Pablo.
Now what?
I have a problem.
Another one?
For door handle. And I did
Oh my god.
the door is closed. So now I can't open the door. The other side of the handle fell in the other side. Oh, hey.
Oh yeah, I'm good, man. You recording?
I was recording.
Now?
I know. I think I learned my lesson. Pretty happy with it. Matches with the rest of the side of the house. Hey guys, so I just found out this is not how you change the handle door. Wrong way. I have to redo the whole process and flip it. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Peace.